To our channel, and today is Vlogmas day 1. And the last video we left off, we were decorating, well, pre-decorating, and then Damara had her little incident, so I didn't get everything decorated in that video, but we did go ahead off camera. We went ahead and decorated for the holidays, and I'm just going to be showing you guys what our decorations look. So this is the big tree. And I need to go back to Hobby Lobby because you see the bottom, I ran out of the curly ribbon. So hopefully when I go back to Hobby Lobby, they actually have it in stock, because I don't know what I'm going to do if they don't. But these ornaments is just the buffalo plaid print, which I had last year. I didn't want to really go buy anything new, but next year I'll probably switch it up. But we just have the red balls and then some of the buffalo plaid print ornaments. And then we just did the buffalo plaid print on the tables as well, and the countertops, which I got these at Walmart, and I had got this from Big Lots like 2 years ago, but we never used it. I found it in the box, so I hooked that up. And then here we didn't do much. Last year I had the garland up, but this year I did not put it up, and I just added some pieces to the mantle with our stocking. Okay, and down here I just have these cones. I think I got this from the at-home store. That's where I got these. And then we have our little Christmas dog that we've had for some years. And then over here I picked up, we saw these at Hobby Lobby, and yeah, we like these. They had some that were shaped like candles, but Damara said she likes the Christmas trees better. And I had him last year. We got this from Big Lots. So yeah, we picked up 2 of those trees. And then I already had this buffalo print runner. We picked up a new throw from TJ Maxx. And then we just added the pillows. I already had these pillow covers. I like to buy pillow covers because you can just switch them out every season or whatever you want. So I got these from Amazon actually. And as well as that one. And we have Arjan here. And then here's some more pillows. So that's all I did in the living room area. Yep, so that's all we did down here. And we could show you the rest of the Christmas trees. This isn't Christmas related, but it does fit with the decor. I actually made that. It's like all this stuff came from the Dollar Tree. So this tree in here, let's see, well, this is the same tree that we had for his room last year as well. And we did, there's our tree skirt. Basically all these ornaments came from Big Lots. Okay, and then so it just has the snowmans. Yeah, this came from Big Lots too, but you can also pick this garland up from Hobby Lobby as well. So that is his tree for this room. I know y'all barely can see it because I can't get any light in here, so yeah, that is this tree. And here we just have some garland that I had last year as well, going up the rail. I wanted to do more, like put some ribbon on it, but I still did not do that. Maybe we'll do that next year or something, but for this year I'm still gonna leave it like this. I had it like this last year as well. And we have a Christmas tree upstairs. Sorry about the background noise. My husband is watching a football game. So we just have this tree right here, and I just try to tie it in with the downstairs with the buffalo print. And I added these black Christmas balls like the one that I have in my office as well. Then here is my daughter's Christmas tree. This is Damara's Christmas tree. This is a white flocked Christmas tree, and then we just picked up some ornaments from Target. So we have like the silver, the rose gold, pink, and then we have regular bows. I picked up these clear balls from the Dollar Tree. And this garland right here, I picked this up from Hobby Lobby. What else do we have on here? These flowers I got from the Dollar Tree. And then these fillers, they came from Hobby Lobby. So that, and the tree skirt came from Marshall's. So this is her tree. And I really like this girly glam look, and I think I want to do this next year for like the other trees, like just switch it up, because this is a very pretty Christmas tree. Okay, and so that is it for all of our Christmas decorations. Oh, well, besides the office area, which I think we showed this in the last vlog, but this is just how the coffee bar turned out. We didn't end up adding anything in the middle. We're just going to keep it simple. And then this Christmas tree as well in the office area. And we did like a hot cocoa, and there was another girl's channel that I was watching. I can't think of the name of her channel, but her daughter came up with this hot chocolate, which is absolutely to die for. And I went out and found the Dunkin' Donuts hot chocolate, because she said that was the best, like the one that tastes more like chocolate and not watered down. And she was right, and my kids have went through almost 22 cups of K-Cups. So yeah, that should tell you that they like that a whole lot. And now I'm kind of under the weather. Like, it seems like every time Vlogmas comes around, I get sick. So I don't know if it's just a thing, or it's probably just that time of the season where I just get sick because the weather is changing so much. But I'm about to have a snack. Later we're going to be making some Rice Krispie treats, and I wanted to do bourbon balls, but I think that I'll do that in another vlog. But today we're going to make Rice Krispie treats, and of course for dinner we're not cooking because we're going to have Thanksgiving leftovers yet again. I think I'm going to make some mashed potatoes though to go with the turkey wings that we had. But right now I'm about to have some of my mother-in-law's spinach dip with some chips, because it is to die for. Isn't it, Damara? It's really good. So, Mimi, if you are watching this, we love your spinach dip. And that's what I'm about to have right now. Do you want some, Damara? Yeah. Where did we put it? Okay, so we're about to do our Rice Krispie treats, and yeah, I'm not, okay, so Rice Krispie treats is like the easiest thing to make. It should be, but mine never turn out right, and I'm not sure why. But I went on Pinterest, found the recipe, gonna follow it to the T, so we're gonna see if this can turn out. It's kind of embarrassing to say, like, I know how to cook, but I don't know why mine don't turn out right. Because it's just such simple ingredients. As you can see, I found this recipe. Please ignore my cracked phone. Well, I found this recipe on Pinterest and it's so simple. You know, you just got your 8 cups of Rice Krispie treats, you got your salt, vanilla extract, we got the butter and marshmallows. So as you can see, I have all of that right here. And yes, we're about to see how this turns out. Get my butter in here. Y'all, if this don't turn out right, I'm gonna be so embarrassed because I can make chess pies, cakes, just like anything. I don't know what it is. Please comment down below if anybody watching this has trouble making Rice Krispie treats. I don't see how you would though. Okay, so the directions were saying to melt the butter until it starts to bubble. So we're almost there. I just need to get these pieces melted. The next step is then to add in 2 bags of the 10-ounce of marshmallows.
Okay guys, we're making Rice Krispie cakes today. Rice Krispie treats.
Okay, so I got the mixture all together, so we're gonna see. For some reason, I feel like it still is not gonna turn out right, even though I followed the recipe. Get this in here. You should do this, and it's probably so it won't have to stick to your fingers.
Oh, so use that?
Yeah. I must say, it tastes good. And it's not that they never really turned out right as far as taste. It's just that maybe I used too much butter or something in the past. But hopefully these ones turns out good. And I'm using this butter wrapper, so it's easy to press down, won't stick to my hands.
Come here, buddy. What is that? Who is it?
Oh, your elf came.
Who is it?
Come and see.
What's your buddy's name?
What's his name? You can't touch it. What's the elf's name?
What you named him? You don't remember when we
What's
read the book?
What's his name?
Otto?
Otto.
Otto?
Okay, they sent you a letter. You want to read it? Let's read it. It says, I'm back. Christmas season is here. I returned for more holiday cheer. Damarion, I will be watching over you each day and reporting back to Santa each night. So make sure to be your very best, and Santa and I will do the rest. Love, Otto. Ooh, and she brought you a gift.
What a gift, man.
This little Santa cup. And then you have a stocking full of goodies.
Yeah, I mean, you know what that means, huh?
Do you want to open? Here you go. Sit down right there. Ooh, a Santa game. Okay, I'm about to cut these Rice Krispie treats to see if they turned out.
That's some sour. They got some sour in there.
I would say it turned out. Oh, I'm so excited because none of mine have ever looked this good. So let me taste. Yeah, it was good. Look, baby.
See what mommy made, but she eats it up from you. Get it, she got her treat.
No, take a bite. You good? Mmm.
Look what mommy made.
Okay, guys, that is it for Vlogmas Day 2, and we will see you guys in the next video.